Hey, JC here, JC's Comics and More, your pop culture superstore, 6725 West Central Avenue. 6725 West Central Avenue, that's Toledo, Ohio, 419-531-6097. Battling through some very foul illness right now, so I'm trying to get your comics out to you. And let's see what's in this box here. We got new previews. Oh, look. Oh, I thought that was Mary Marvel for a second. Finally got a chance to see the Captain Marvel movie on my plane trip, and can't tell you how utterly disgusted I was by it. Just their disrespect of Mar-Vell, the legacy of Mar-Vell, to replace him with a woman when he didn't need to be. Could have been a man that played that part. Such disgust with Marvel and their lack of respect. Just disgust with that. I am so glad they didn't get a dime of my money. Such garbage. What's a garbage movie? And the Skrulls are a warring race. They're not friendly at all, and in no way, shape, or form. Again, Marvel does not care about the fans. They don't care about the fans at all. That is proof they don't care about the fans. Disgusted by their garbage that they put out. And disrespectful to Stan Lee also. Very disrespectful to Stan Lee. I'll pause this as we grab another box. Paid it. Okay, we've got the final box. Final box in the last 2 weeks. Let's see, I should have my Batman cover B's in here. Very possible. The other covers to the Superman. I think there was 2 covers on that Superman Year One by Frank Miller. Yeah, of course there was. There was a Frank Miller cover on that. And here it is. Here we've got the new issue of Mad, issue number 8. That's how my throat feels right now.
Do you just want
feels like he's just ripping into me right now.
Do you want me to do the upside down ones too, or
no?
Okay.
Here's the Superman, the Frank Miller cover. This is the cover B on that. You can just leave those right there.
Okay.
The scary monsters can go over on the other side though. And these Supermans need to be counted. Those are cover Bs. Another saucy cover on Cave Woman being held for a customer. Those need to be counted. Ow. Okay, we got War of the Realms, Journey into Mystery number 5. Got that right there. Make sure I set a copy aside for one of my customers. And of course, they could not put all the covers together in the same spot. We got a new issue of Faceless. We also do have the Batman Flash the Button, the soft cover. Hardcover came out a couple of years ago, but we got the soft cover here. Got Hit Girl, cover C of Hit Girl. Skyward number 14. Got Excellence. This is the cover A on this book. Usagi Yojimbo. A lot of people have been waiting on Usagi Yojimbo, a new series by Stan Sakai. So congratulations to Stan. Ow. New Captain Marvel number 7. Mary Marvel. Got Epic Collection Amazing Spider-Man. We've got, what the hell book is this? Oh, Red Sonja and Betty meets Veronica and Vampirella. As you can tell by them doing this cover, it makes it really clear to see and to be able to properly sell that book. Savage Sword of Conan number 6. Faceless number 3. Make sure a copy of that gets set aside for one of my customers. Got American Gods. This is the cover A on American Gods. Go ahead and intermix those. Got Star Wars TIE Fighters. Hellboy the BPRD. Ah, there's 2 covers on it. So this is the cover A. We showed the cover B earlier. You got Hit Girl. Cover A of Hit Girl. War of the Realms. War Scrolls. Got 1 copy here. There's other copies that have to be in here someplace. Obviously, they have to be. Spider-Man City at War, number 4. Star Wars number 67, Greatest Moments variant, 16 of 36. I am your father, Luke. I am your father. Luke's all freaking out. Curse Words. This is cover B. This is number 22. Make sure I get set aside for a customer. Oh, here's the rest of my War Scrolls. Of course, not together where they should be. Ow. See, we got a Battle Lines variant, I believe, from Captain America, because this book's running late. Issue number 7, Battle Lines variant. Dr. Affleck. This is the regular cover. I know it's Dr. Afra. I just call it Dr. Affleck if I want to. Oh, look, another one of these. They can't even put both trade paperbacks together in the same stack. One's in one box, one's in the other box. Really. Pearl number 10. We did have a damaged copy of the Star Wars number 67 also. Disney's Uncle Scrooge. We got more of the Spider-Man War of the Realms. There's that. That Cave Woman number. Guess this is Cave Woman Pandemonium. No number. Those are set aside for customers. Clue Candlestick number 2. Set aside for a customer. We've got War of the Realms crossover with Tony Stark Iron Man number 13. So those are the regular covers. Two, 4, 6, 7. Last stop on the red line. Gretel cover A. Here's the, can't remember which Spider-Man suit this is. They've given us so many different Spider-Man suits. But that's the variant on Captain Marvel. Captain Marvel. You don't want to insult such a great legacy character like Marvel with an insulting character that they turned Carol Danvers into. Carol was a cool character, but Marvel has turned her into a bad character, I'm sorry to say. Action figure variant on Star Wars 67. We've got Deadpool number 14 with the Iron Spider variant cover. Curse Words number 22. Daredevil number 7, the 30th anniversary. I know I've got more of those. Marvel's Annotated, book 4 of 4. This is cover C. Okay, here's the rest of my Daredevils. Here's the rest of these Daredevil covers. Again, way too many people opted to do the Galactus covers. No thought process, no imagination on their part, on their end. Deadpool number 14. Got some banged up corners on those. More Deadpool 14s. Less banged up. Sabrina. Cover B of Sabrina. Samurai Jack number 2. I believe that's cover A. Nightwing number 61. That's cover A. That. With the back cover advertising the now canceled Swamp Thing. Money well spent there. Farmhand number 9. And just about done here. My Batman cover B's still have to be somewhere. Damn well better be in these boxes. That is cover A of the Marvel's Annotated. Barbarella, Teja Thoris, cover A. Teen Titans, cover A. And I hope they don't Mary Sue her out to be able to beat her father Lobo. No way in hell would it ever happen. Never, 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 never. Never. Quit Mary Sue in these characters. Turtles Urban Legends number 14. That's cover A. I need to find my cover B's. Those need to be in here. Firefly number 7. Variant cover. Fair Lady number 3. Cover A. Zorro number 2, set aside for customers. Wolverine and the Infinity Watch. Issue 5 of, how many issues is it? It's a miniseries, but Marvel doesn't tell you how many copies there are. I think my Batmans are on the very bottom here. The rest of these comics. Here's some more of those, a couple more of those Wolverines. And here's this Vampirella, Betty and Veronica, and Red Sonja. Gold Digger number 261. They don't shy away from high numbers. I've got, Pearl number 10. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs from Dark Horse. Grendo, cover C. Go-Go Power Rangers Forever number 1. Cover D of the Vampirella and Red Sonja meet Betty and Veronica. Dark Horse Trout number 1. The True Believers reprinting Amazing Spider-Man 131, The Wedding of Doc Ock and Aunt May. Okay. Cover D of Warlord of Mars Attacks. And here's the cover B of Turtles Urban Legends. And finally, Batman 73, the Virgin cover. If you do like these videos, always subscribe. I appreciate it. And share the videos as well. Thanks for watching. Take care.